Okay, train number 6 of today in Metairie. The Union Pacific, I don't know why I did this. But I said I didn't remember if that was the 5th or 6th train, but I said that was the 5th train in the beginning of that video. See, BNSF 8237. $66.70 and $66.87. Woo! So this is the BNSF that was stopped. We got 2 trains behind this one. Behind this train, we got 2 more behind it. And we got a CSX and a what I think is a Norfolk Southern behind it. Plus we still got on the train track behind me, whenever he comes, we got Kansas City Southern LL60 still coming. So whatever time he comes. But as I was trying to say earlier in the beginning of the video, of this video right now, I was trying to say that Union Pacific, I don't know why I said I didn't remember if that was the 5th train or 6th train of today in Metairie, because I said that was the 5th train in the beginning of the video, and I totally forgot that, and I totally forgot about that. So I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry about that. Hopefully this train isn't too long, because I've got 14% on my phone and I kind of have to plug it in, so hopefully this train isn't too long. But I mean, I can't predict how long trains are gonna be, so yeah. I am also sorry for that big white truck in the way. He came right in front of me. usually most cars come like right here where my hand is at, but I'm fine with that. But I'll show y'all. Still make sure still get the training video. I'll just show y'all after this train. But that I'll show y'all now. But that big white truck came through right here. Came this way. I wasn't expecting him. Cause I'm mostly expecting cars to come like this on this little road right here where my finger is pointing at. So yeah, sorry about that as well. So yeah. I can tell he's definitely one of those slow trains. Hey, got some old, well, 2 old Burlington Northern box cars. One of them actually still being in the very famous Burlington Northern green paint. Nice. Train kind of needs to hurry up because I've got 12% on my phone and I'm not trying to have a dead phone, especially while recording trains, because that already happened one time a long time ago. And literally there was a train. Okay, funny story. A long time ago, I was recording a train, and from what I remember, I believe it was from what I remember, I believe it was a Union Pacific, and like right in the middle of the train, my phone dies. Okay, well, it wasn't directly right in the middle of the train, but it was right at the end of the train. Like, I couldn't even, cause I like to get the railroad crossing gates going up for y'all, and I didn't even have time to get the railroad crossing gates going up. So yeah, hopefully this train hurries up and that does not happen again. And this train seems to be a pretty decent size. And see, like that GMC, he came that way, but that big truck, he came right in front of me, like right on the side of me. So yeah. Oh wow. Okay, that's actually kind of a coincidence. So I was saying earlier how my phone has 11%, and this train needs to hurry up so I can go back to plug my phone in. But yet, the end is literally right here. Okay, and first of all of those hoppers, no graffiti. We got 2 hoppers of some nice graffiti. And then again, well, okay, there's actually a very tiny bit of graffiti on that last hopper. And that concludes the end of the train number 6 of Today in Metairie BNSF. There goes the gates. Train number 6 of Today in Metairie BNSF. Hope y'all enjoy.